Hey there, Sandra. I'm Queen of Tax Deeds, and I just wanted to show you real quick an example here of a satisfaction of mortgage. So I had this is a mobile home deal that I did back in 2013. Wow. So, okay. Blast from the past. So, sold it to a new owner with financing, and we are actually going to record a satisfaction. They made their monthly payments. So don't be afraid to do these seller finance deals thinking you're not going to be able to get your money. They put a significant deposit down, about $10,000, and they paid about $50,000 for the mobile. So it was like $49,000. And I originally bought it from someone that was going to lose the property at a tax deed auction. So it was coming up for auction. I sent the owner a letter, and they responded to my letter. And then I thought, this is probably not going to be a deal, but I'll go ahead and make them an offer. Maybe they'll take the offer. Who knows? They took the offer, and one of my students went over to the property, checked it out for me, even negotiated the second lot next door for me for the same price. So they were about to lose it. They're moving to Texas, and they were about to lose it at the auction because they didn't have the money to pay for it. So we ended up buying it from them and then turn around paying the taxes and then flipping it to somebody else. We thought we were going to be able to sell it for cash, but they made us an amazing offer for owner financing. So we took the owner financing offer. How did I buy it? I didn't use any of my money. I used money from another investor in their self-directed IRA. And it's so funny. Let me see here. I have bringing the paperwork in from the car. I had to turn around and go home and get it because I almost forgot to bring the satisfaction with me here to the office to mail it out. So ironically, I put it in a folder for a self-directed IRA company, which is really kind of crazy because they're the ones that helped get the deal done. It's New View in Longwood, Florida. I think that's their address now, is Longwood. New View Trust Company. So shout out to New View who helped us get this deal done. So you see that? Polk County Clerk of Court, to whom it may concern, please record the satisfaction. Listed on the form enclosed is the recording fee. And then here we have the MoneyGram that we're about to send out as well with the satisfaction of mortgage. I didn't know anything about putting mortgages together. That's what an attorney is for. So we had an attorney do it, Roland Acosta in Winter Park for us. So all we had to do was find a good deal, put it together, and let them do all the work. All right. So definitely, this is how you can become the bank yourself. The payments come to you. You don't have to go chasing after money. Money just comes in every month. I wish I'd done more of these like this. So now I got to find other deals as well to replace that income, right? Because now their money they used to pay every month is not going to be coming in every month as often as it did before. And they were very good payers. They would pay on time every month. If sometimes they would pay more than they were supposed to pay. Let me show you guys something else too that I do. It's actually here in my wallet. Let me get it for you. And that is, I do, let me sit down here at my desk. I give the person that I am selling the property to with owner financing a deposit only. Okay, so this is what the deposit only card that one of them looks like here. I thought they wrote on here deposit only, but apparently it does not say that. I had to quickly write that in there so I wouldn't confuse it with the other debit cards. But this card here, the money only goes in. You cannot take money out of the account with it. The money only goes in. Any time of day, any form of payment they want to do it, as long as the ATM accepts it, that's all good, right? Because that's what one of my hang-ups was. I didn't want to have to keep accepting checks that I had to now go in cash, keep track of when they sent me the checks and stuff like that. So it was much easier using the deposit-only card. You can totally use electronic measures as well too. But the deposit-only card is foolproof, right? So whether the person is tech savvy or tech, not, they don't know anything about tech. The deposit only card works really, really well. They just go to the ATM, put the money in there, and then that's it. You could also do it online. All right. So anyway, you can be the bank, make the money, let the money come to you. You don't have to keep running after it. And I'm very happy for this family. They're now own the property free and clear. All right, so do send your questions, and I look forward to seeing you guys and talking to you later. Bye. Happy investing.